Life without you is hopeless, dark and depressing. I miss your light. Wow, this is brilliant and beautiful message. So they know they have hurt you bad, and they are meeting plenty other people who, can you believe how sweet this message is? Trauma is also making them run away from you. Oh God, this is amazing. You are the person who lied to them. So why they are unavailable could be either they have somebody. So this is the universe telling you to be optimistic. Maybe they never agreed that you were right, but now they know you were right. Hi Atma Namaste. Today is a no contact situation reading for you today. I've mixed 4 beautiful decks to give you what your current situation is, what your person is trying to communicate to you, or universe wants you to know about this no contact situation. And since you all know, tarot reading is all about your energies. So take what resonates and leave what doesn't. And plenty of you have asked me, what is it that you say, like, take what resonates and leave what doesn't? It simply means that if the reading feels familiar, if the reading feels, in sync with your situation, that means it's in full resonation. And if you feel, oh, this is not for me, this reading was not for me, then you can leave the reading. Since it's based on your energies, this can also be your future reading, so we wouldn't know. Now coming to the first card here, let's find out. Oh, somebody who you are in no contact situation wants to tell you, I wish I could take back my words. Can you believe how sweet this message is? They are in regret for sure. Okay, so I am not available. So why they are unavailable could be either they have somebody in their life prior to you, or they might have some legal issues going on or some commitments going on, and that is why this is happening between the both of you. Now, finding out the truth crushed me. So something about their own life they have found out, or something has happened to them that they found out about you or their own self that has crushed them, and they need a lot of time and space. So please give it to them. They are, working on themselves. I regret lying to you. So they have also not been very honest with you, and they regret lying to you. The timing just wasn't right for us. There you go. This is beautiful message what someone can give you and universe can give you about a no contact situation, right? So the next card is life without you is hopeless, dark and depressing. I miss your light. So they considered you to be, oh my God, they considered you to be the light in their life, and you are not there in their life. So completely in regret that you are not around. This is very depressing for them. You are so different from everyone around me. So they are meeting plenty other people who is not you, but they cannot, find someone like you. That's nice. Childhood trauma. Oh my God, the first deck gave me similar thing, right? So they're working on themselves, right? They found out something about their own life that they're working on themselves. So childhood trauma is also making them run away from you, or take the space or separation from you, or you are doing this, whoever the energy is. I am blocked. So either you've blocked them on social medias, or they are, blocked emotionally towards you. Something like that. There's a blocked kind of situation. I cry at night. So this is what they want to communicate to you. They are not okay. Why is it that you love me? So they don't even know if they deserve the love that you are giving. So that is something you need to also have as a message. The way I have treated you was wrong. Oh my God. So there is a regret, the emotion here. There is the way I have treated you was wrong. So they know they have hurt you bad, and they maybe are in complete sync with what you feel also. Maybe you've also told them they are not treating you right? So I'm afraid to lose you. So they probably have lost you already, but still hopeful, and somebody here who is in a relationship and in no contact situation where, you just went through a small breakup or break. So they are afraid to lose you off. Obviously, there is some abandonment issue or codependency that I can see. You were right, so they know that you were right. Like maybe they never agreed that you were right, but now they know you were right. And drama. So a lot of drama is happening at their end or your end, and too much to take. Okay. The heat between us is intense. So whatever time you both were together, the heat between you guys were intense. That is what they feel. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So this is the universe telling you to be optimistic, and whoever is there in your life or not there in your life, it is all universe's plan for you to learn about your soul lessons and, evolve your soul, become mature, and learn about other people, your own self. Children, your love life is being affected by children. So maybe they are like, I hear divorce or, separation and custody issues, children not being with them or legal issues. Some battles they are fighting of their own, and there's a no contact situation. Or you all have been since childhood together, something like that. Something involved with children is here in and around you guys. Unrequited love. For a few of you here, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So for few of you here, it's not like everlasting unconditional love. This was your karmic partner who came and who left. Okay, you should move on. For few of you here, it is safe for you to love. Although for few it's ending, for few it is safe to love. Few of you are running away thinking, oh my God, this guy is like, or this girl is like unbelievable, overwhelming, treats me so right. What is the catch? There's no catch. It is safe. Please heal your childhood trauma so that you understand that, it is important to fall in love again, trust again. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Wow, this is brilliant and beautiful message. Wow. Can you believe this? Trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So you have to trust. Universe is asking you, have trust. You will definitely get in touch with this person. Wait for this person to come back. Holding on. I need some time to think about it. So a few of you are, facing this issue where they've taken some time or rejection, something's happening. So they are holding on. They're not giving you a green signal yet. So for few of you here, oh God, this is amazing. So I think the universe wants you to know, for few of you here, you are the person who lied to them. Okay, you are the person who hid few things from them. So can't trust you anymore. You are a liar. So definitely either ways, maybe that person is a liar and you can't trust them, or you have done certain things to them, they can't trust you. So it's like on and off, universe is giving you a picture on what you have to do, because this is your current reality. Opposing is happening. Okay. So the last two cards are patience. I will always wait for you till my end of life. So few here have unconditional love. Someone's going to wait for you forever, no matter who you are with, no matter what kind of a situation you are in, which country you live in, they are going to wait just for you, which is very sweet. The last and the most beautiful card of today's reading, you are my oxygen, impossible to stay alive without you. So I think this is a very pure form of love, whether you're in no contact situation or not, from distance in parallel universe, they and you are together, I think, and they're communicating that you are their heartbeat. It's possible to be in love with someone, although you're physically not with them. Mentally you can be in love. So something like this is your current situation. I hope you all are able to heal and come out and pick the partners who are right for you, who are in sync with you mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically, in all ways, and who will fulfill all your 5 love languages. Thank you so much. Atma Namaste.